Oh!
You having fun?
I never did pull back, you know? He might have swallowed the whole thing. Oh, this might be the biggest one I've ever caught.
Oh, that is huge. Just hold it tight.
Okay.
You don't have to reel it in. Just keep it the line tight. That's all you got to do.
Okay. There's our squeakies.
No, you got a fish. You got no squeaky. Oh, look at this. Bring her on in. There you go. Phew.
No!
You having fun?
I hear
That's
it.
that's it.
Should I tighten it?
Yeah, tighten it and point down toward it and keep it tight. Then just draw back a little at a time. That's it. There you go. That's the way to catch the big boys. Whoa.
Oh, good. I didn't hurt him.
Oh, that's a good 3-pounder, 4-pounder. Let me see that thing.
Okay.
Oh, you got him just right.
Yay, I didn't hurt him.
God,
Oh!
that is huge.
Oh, that's the biggest one I've ever caught. Come on, guy.
All right, this. Well, I'm gonna have to take the hook out. You gonna take the hook out for me? Here, hold that.
Okay.
Still recording.
Oh, it's recording.
Mhm.
How do you see it? I don't see it. What?
Turn it around. You're photoing yourself.
Oh! Oh my gosh! Look at my monster fish. Ooh, wait. How big do you think he is?
Oh, I'm feeling full. Let's see. Let's take a look. Okay.
That's the biggest I've ever caught.
Okay. Let me see how far.
That was so much fun.
Let's look at the length of him. If I did this, I'm all the way to right there. You see that point?
Uh-huh.
So we can measure him. Okay, turn off video.
What?
Turn it around. You're photoing yourself.
Oh! No!
You having fun?